attractant at the hog attractant, you know, Big J or, you know, Hogzilla Purple Haze, all that good jazz. I wonder, I wonder if that stuff works. Well, it does and it doesn't. But I'm going to save y'all some money. You see, 30 years ago now, I used to have my grandfather was leasing some property north of where I currently live. And he leased that property for about 10 years, I guess it was. And we had a lot of hogs on that place. So we started trapping. We were the first ones to start trapping hogs, I guess you could say. You know. And one of the ingredients that he swore by, and I'm going to show y'all how to make up, and then maybe tomorrow or something, if it's not too wet, because we've been getting a lot of rain here, I'll go and do some experiments in the next video. But what you're gonna need: one, good 5 gallon, good bucket here. This bucket will work great. 2, couple boxes of Jello. This is the strawberry gelatin. This is the Walmart version. Knockoff. You don't need the expensive stuff. And then the other one is, what is this? Basically knockoff Big Red. This is the Walmart Fanta. But if you want to use Big Red, be my guest, doesn't really matter anyways. Then, set those down. The next product you're going to want is corn. Just a bag of corn. Just a bit. Alright. See what I did? Just put the corn in the bucket. You getting that? Okay. Then, what you want to do is take your gelatin. This goes in next. Okay. That goes in. Let's see if I can. There we go. Okay. Then your second batch of Jello goes in. Then what you want to do is kind of just work that in like that. Okay. Work that in, don't matter to your hands. Then take your Fanta, open it up. Ah, shit. And have it explode all over you. And yes, I'm going to leave that in. Damn it. Well, that was fun. Alright. Pour about half the bottle in. Alright. Joy. I was not expecting that shit to just explode, but it did. Alright. Get your hands dirty. You're gonna get sticky, but see? Hands are all red and sticky. And hold on. Find me something to wipe off with here. Yep. Damn it. Yeah. I'll be honest. Was not expecting that. So, I'm gonna have to change this shirt. But, yep. Now my hands are all red. Because I got Kool-Aid or sticky crap all over them. Hopefully I didn't ruin this damn shirt. So, anyways, that's how you make it. I will take this out tomorrow evening, throw it out, and in the next video, I'll take this, put out. I'll take some, see which one works. So, yeah. Alright, y'all know what to do. Like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, share this out. DIY cheap hog attractant. You know, simple, easy, and it'll work. See y'all on the next one, ladies and gentlemen.